From delay to destiny. Have you ever asked, why is this taking so long? Why does the promise feel distant? Why does the door remain closed? Delay can feel discouraging, but delay is not denial. Joseph waited in a prison before he stepped into the palace. David waited in fields before he wore a crown. Jesus waited 30 years before public ministry. God moves with purpose. Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 11 says, He has made everything beautiful in its time. Everything in its time. If God rush your destiny, you might not be ready to carry it. Delay develops character. It builds patience. It deepens trust. What feels like standing still may actually be divine preparation. God is aligning details you cannot see. He is opening doors you have not reached yet. He is strengthening you for what's ahead. Romans 8:28 reminds us, all things work together for the good of those who love Him. Even the waiting, even the silence, even the confusion. Trust the timing. Trust the process. Trust the God who knows the end from the beginning. Your destiny is not late. It is being formed. It is being created. Prayer. Lord, teach us patience. Help us trust your timing over our feelings. Align our hearts with your will and purpose. Amen. Affirmation. My delay is not denial. God's timing is perfect. I trust the process. I am on top and not beneath. I am able because God strengthens me daily. Amen.